What would you do if you saw a motorcycle dart through traffic at breakneck speeds, with police cars hot on its tail? Motorcycle police chases are some of the most wild, unpredictable, and downright dangerous stuff you could watch. How far will these riders go to evade the law?
Is it going to be the dirt bike?
10-4, black male, black shirt, white helmet, going north on Guyer Springs. Traffic's medium, speeds 50.
On June 17, 2023, Arkansas State Trooper Trevorris Tatum was patrolling just southwest of Little Rock when he saw something that stopped him in his tracks. A young guy on a blue dirt bike pulling a wheelie right in front of him. Quite the guts, right? Tatum flipped on his lights and swung around to pull the stunt rider over, but instead of stopping, the kid hit the gas and took off. Was the biker about to pull off another daring escape?
70, 90. Get back on the service road out of Creek.
Back on the service road.
In the end, Trooper Tatum lost sight of the dirt bike and had to call off the chase. This time, the kid got lucky.
Little Rock is going the wrong way in the service road. Back, wrong way in the service road.
Become the race line. Right close. Yeah, 10.2 that. Don't go the wrong way up the surf road.
It's gonna be back going towards
Avon.
But next time might not be so forgiving. On to the next one. On June 9th, 2024, Arkansas State Trooper Robert Rome spotted a guy hanging around on a motorcycle near a gas station, looking a little too suspicious.
Correction, straight on Midland. I bumped him in the intersection. He got through. Just past Northwest. Alright, coming up to 6. 36.
Rome drove past but quickly spun around to check things out. But before he could even get close, the rider gunned it and took off like a rocket down a side street. What happened next was pure chaos. It's hard to tell whether he's swerving off-road to shake the cops or if his bike's starting to give out. After all, it's taken a beating from Trooper Rome's cruiser a few times by now.
He's in the ditch, and he's again. Passing.
If luck's on his side, he might just crash close to the police station because, according to the officers, that's exactly where he's heading. The officers later said he'd have faced just a misdemeanor charge for the weed, but now he's in hot water with multiple felonies. On April 14th, 2023, State Trooper Tyler Langley was cruising near Route 64 in Conway, Arkansas, on the lookout for a suspect riding a high-performance sports bike. When Langley finally spots the rider trying to merge back onto the highway, things take a wild turn. The rider could have easily taken off and exited the highway 3 or 4 times by now, making it tough for Langley to track him down. The rider got lucky. This officer, part of Police Nationale, is in the middle of a high-stakes chase down what looks like a major highway. Watch as he barrels down a narrow shoulder, staying hot on the heels of a speedy T-Max bike. The scene is intense. That was quite the chase, wasn't it? That's the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to enjoy more. See you in the next one.